In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to engrave in Fusion 360. Engraving is essentially a shallow cut made with the extrude tool on a flat surface. It's perfect for adding text, logos, or simple markings to your models without changing their overall shape. Start by creating a sketch on the face where you want the engraving. Click Create Sketch and select a flat face of your object. Working on a flat surface gives you a clean, even result and keeps the process straightforward. With the sketch active, draw your shape or type your text. You can use simple sketch tools for shapes or the text command if you're adding letters or numbers. Position your design where you want it to appear on the part. Make sure your sketch forms a closed profile so Fusion 360 can recognize it as an area to extrude. If the region doesn't highlight when you hover over it, check for tiny gaps or overlapping geometry and clean those up so the profile is fully enclosed. When your sketch looks right, press E on your keyboard to activate the extrude command. Click inside the profile of your shape or text to select it. You'll see an arrow appear perpendicular to the face. Drag that arrow into the part to create the recess, or type a distance into the dialog. For a subtle, readable engrave, a small negative value like -0.5 millimeters is a great starting point. If your document is set to inches, that's roughly 2/100ths of an inch. Watch the on-screen preview as you adjust the distance. If the preview shows material being removed into the model, you're moving in the correct direction. If it looks like it's building up instead, flip the direction or enter a negative distance. Before you finalize, look at the operation setting in the extrude dialog and make sure it's set to cut. This tells Fusion 360 to remove material. If it's set to join or new body, switch it to cut so your result becomes a pocket rather than a raised feature. Double check that the correct profiles are selected, confirm your depth, and click OK. Fusion 360 will generate a clean, shallow recess that reads clearly in renders and is practical for printing or machining. That's the workflow. Create a sketch on a flat face, draw your shape or text, extrude a small distance into the part, and ensure the operation is set to cut. If you need to adjust it later, just edit the sketch or change the extrude distance, and the model will update automatically.